Guys, this stuff is unbelievable. It is insane. I don't know what else to say. I'm going to go over some real stuff in this video. So if you guys find value, hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon, do all that good stuff. And by the way, the Patreon is linked down below. And let's just talk. And we're not going to go over stocks in this video. We're not going to go over the markets. We're going to talk about Shiba. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu, this new meme coin that's been popping off the past couple of weeks. And it's been around for a while. But really the past couple of weeks, every influencer I've been seeing has been talking about it. Shiba to a penny, Shiba to $1, which is just unbelievable. So let's go over it. I'll go over my opinions on this. We'll do some math, and we'll talk about the utter craziness around Shiba Inu actually going to 1 penny. So before we even do that, let me switch my Safari or my OBS here. Let me go to Safari and we'll see exactly where Shiba Inu is trading as of now. Let me make my face a bit smaller and I'll push myself to the right here. Bear with me, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As always, make sure to hit the like button if you guys find value, and we're going to go over some truth bombs in this video. So as of now, Shiba Inu, if I go down a bit and click this, it is trading at 0.00004 zeros, guys. I don't know if I said 3 or 4 zeros. It's 4 zeros after the decimal, 7306. And over the past week, it's up 170%. The past month, it's up over 900%. The past year, it is up a whopping 94 million %, which I can't even wrap my head around that. And a little side tangent here, I've been seeing this post on Instagram lately. By the way, follow me on Instagram at StasSurfS. I've been seeing somebody put 5 or was it 8 grand into Shiba, and now it's worth $6 billion. I mean, this stuff is unbelievable. And like I said in the beginning, there is a lot of buzz around Shiba going to 1 penny. So let's do some math right now. Like I said, right now Shiba is 0.00007. So if I go over to my calculator here, and let me make sure you guys can see this. You can. If I go over to this calculator and simply do 0.01, which is a penny, divided by 0.00072, which is roughly what Shiba is right now. If I do that and click equals, that is about 138. So essentially what that means is for Shiba to get to 1 penny from where it is right now, it has to go up another 138 times. Essentially, it has to 138x from where it is right now. So let's do some more math, right? The market cap right now on Shiba, it's 40 billion, a little bit less than 40 billion. It's at about 39.5 billion. So for Shiba to 138x from here, or whatever the number was, 138, we have to do some crazy numbers, right? So the market cap, 39.5 billion. So let's just round that up to 40 billion. So let's do that here in this calculator. 40 0.0000000. So that's 40 billion times, get ready for this, your mind's about to be blown, guys, times 138. For Shiba Inu to actually get to a penny, this has to reach a market cap of over $5.5 trillion. And I've double-checked my math multiple times. I am 99.9% sure this is correct, right? $5.5 trillion. You have to ask yourself, is Shiba worth $5.5 trillion? Heck, is it worth $40 billion where it is right now? I don't think so. Maybe you can make an argument for $40 billion where it is right now. But I am wholeheartedly saying there is no way in you-know-what Shiba is worth $5.5 trillion. I mean, come on, guys. This is pure insanity. If I show you the market caps of these other cryptos, we'll compare them to the other cryptos, gold, some large cap big tech companies. There's no way Shiba's worth more than these. So let's go over some market caps right now. That Shiba, if it goes to $5 trillion, which I highly doubt, let's go over some market caps Shiba would be more than. And let's pop the chart up while we talk about it. We'll go to the hourly chart because this thing is moving by the second. I mean, you guys know how this stuff goes. So the market cap of gold right now is about $10 trillion. So you're telling me Shiba's going to be worth half of the gold out there if it goes to $5 trillion? That is insane. Bitcoin's market cap right now, as I'm making this video, is $1.2 trillion. So you're telling me Shiba's going to be worth 5 times what Bitcoin's worth? There's no way. Ethereum. Get this, guys. Ethereum right now is a $500 billion market cap. So you're telling me Shiba is going to be worth more than 10 times Ethereum? No way. Apple's market cap is $2.5 trillion. A business that has a lot of value. It actually produces products. It has a lot of value in people's lives. Apple. You're telling me Shiba, which is pretty much a pure gamble meme coin, is going to be worth 2 times Apple? Come on, guys. Stop drinking the Kool-Aid. Amazon. Let's keep going. Amazon. The market cap for Amazon right now today is $1.74 trillion. No way Shiba's going to be worth 3 times Amazon, guys. Let me tell you that. Google's market cap is a little under $2 trillion. So Google, we got the Google search engine, we got Android, we got the whole YouTube platform, the 2 biggest search engines on this planet, guys. Real value. Do you think Shiba is going to be worth almost 2.5 times, maybe more than that, of what Google's worth if it gets to a penny? I mean, come on, guys. This is pure euphoria, pure insanity. And that's the crazy thing about the markets these days, guys. People have it misconstrued. They believe that putting money into Shiba is investing. It is not investing. I've made videos like this in the past. It is pure speculation. You have to be able to distinguish between the two, right? People can't do it these days. And I feel like that's the fault of the easy money that we're seeing. There's so much money around. The Fed's printing all these dollars. People are it's so easy for the most part to have all these dollars these days. And people are just throwing money left and right at everything. And they believe everything they're doing is investing, which it's not, guys. You have to distinguish between the two, investing and speculating. And don't get me wrong, I am not crapping on everybody that's putting money into Shiba, that's speculating into Shiba. I'm not. Do your thing, but understand it's not investing. It's speculating. You're gambling. You're throwing money into something that could very well go to zero. And I'm warning you guys, this could very well blow up the next time crypto in general sells off. So if you have money in this that you're not willing to lose and you're sitting up on a 2, 3, 4, 5x, 10x game, I would personally get out of this, lock the profits, and move on. Because if you have a significant amount of money in this, and then all of a sudden Shiba tanks 90%, which probably will happen the next crypto bust cycle, which we've seen how that goes. I mean, Bitcoin went from 20,000 to under 3,000 or right around 3,000. That dropped 80%. Could you imagine what's going to happen to Shiba? I mean, guys, if you have money you're willing to lose, get out. And if you have money that you're not willing to lose in here, by all means, go for it. But again, this idea of Shiba going to a penny, you have to put it into perspective. Do some basic math, and you'll realize how absolutely ludicrous that really is at the end of the day. For it going to a penny, going 140x from here, being $5.5 trillion. I mean, come on, guys. This is just insane. And quite frankly, this speculation, I'm not saying it needs to stop completely, but the idea of the endless gains, the idea of easy gains, I'm going to put $100, it's going to turn into $10,000, This needs to stop. This is pure euphoria, and it's just insanity. So we're going to wrap the video up there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, drop me a comment, and honestly, let me know your thoughts. I know a lot of you watching have made money on Shiba, and kudos to you. I'm happy for you. Seriously, I'm happy you made money, but understand you made money off of a speculation, a gamble, not an investment. And I'd just love to know your thoughts in general. Do you agree with me? Disagree with me? Drop me a comment. Check out my Patreon if you guys want all my moves in the stock market, every trade I make, investment I make, options move I make. That's all on Patreon. Plus, I post morning update videos there. That's linked down below. And that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And if you want $10 from Coinbase, you might as well check out my affiliate link down below. Put $100 in. I think if you buy $100 of Bitcoin or whatever crypto, we each get 10 free bucks. So check that out. Link down below. And that's it. I'll catch you guys later on. Hope you guys found value. I'll see you guys later. Keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out.